How's it going, guys? Hope you're having a great day, or have had one. I don't know when you're watching this. Today is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to go through the first part of my PC build for Christmas. So we'll do a breakdown of the parts now. For now, all we have is this. Hold on. Okay, so to start it off, part one is just going to be the case and the QL120 fans. So I am going to have another pack for Christmas, but for now we have two 3-packs of fans, and they each come with a lighting node core, and then later on I'm going to be installing a Commander Pro. The case that I'm going with for this build is, excuse all the mess in the background, this is the best place for recording, is the Lee 011 Dynamic, not the Mini, not the XL, just the original one. I love the look of this case, and to be honest, everybody does as well. Everybody's buying this case, so I figured I'd go for this as well. And so what we're going to do for this build in particular, we're going to have 9 fans, but for these two, because I'm also getting an AIO, for these 2 packs of fans, I'm going to be putting them on the triple mount here on the back, and that's going to be set to exhaust. And then I'm going to move these SSD caddies, and I'm going to put 3 fans as intake there, and then eventually the AIO up the top is going to be intake coming in like so. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So sorry, my camera work is not super, but yeah. All right, let's get to it then. Alright, so if you hear background noise, sorry about that. This took me quite a while to do. You probably saw that it took a while to do in the time lapse. It was because of these fan cables down here. They actually come out right on the edge, and with the Lee 011, you get a small issue where the fans don't press up against each other perfectly. So it took me a couple of seconds to get those in. Probably will just do the cable management and stuff off camera, because I'm terrible at cable management, and if I do it on camera I will be absolutely roasted. These fans up here, these ones, I can't wait for how these are going to turn out. They look great, honestly, and I can't wait to get a radiator in the top and have fans pulling in as well. But the cabling on this one in particular really didn't want to go through. See, there's a little groove. There's a small groove right here to get your cable back out if you need to. And this fan right here really didn't want me doing that. So it took me quite a while to get it done. Sorry if it's a little blurry there. But yeah, it looks really good at the moment. Stay tuned for a second part, which probably won't be coming until after Christmas when I'm getting more parts. If you're wondering what parts I am getting hopefully by Christmas, it does stock a Ryzen 7 5800X. I'll be transferring over my 32 gigs of RAM that I have. I'll be transferring over the graphics card because I don't need anything more than 1080p right now. I'll be swapping to a B550 motherboard, to an MSI Gaming Carbon with Wi-Fi, and power supply will come over, and then I'm putting a Deep Cool Castle 360 in there, and that's going to be top mounted. That's going to be mounted up here, and it's gonna be an intake, so I'm gonna do a push-pull with the fans, and yeah, I think that about wraps it up for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry there's no showcase as of right now, because I haven't got like the motherboard or the power supply in or anything yet, but yeah, thanks for watching and have a good one. Seriously not gonna focus? Imagine. Wow. Yeah. Alright, have a good one.